Hey guys, I wanted to give you a peek at the Storybook Land Canal Boats ride at Disneyland. In case you have not visited this ride for a while, it had been a while for me. I just remembered how wonderful it is, and it's actually quite relaxing. Nice little boat ride. And right before we got on our ride, I wanted to show you this. Pinocchio and Geppetto were walking by, and Pinocchio spotted the whale, and he kind of freaked out a little bit. It was really cute. But anyway, so this is basically a 12-person ride through the whale's mouth on into a fascinating world of miniatures featuring your favorite Disney classic movies and castles and lands, and anyway, it's fabulous. I'll just let you enjoy the boat ride. I don't think this will be too much of a spoiler either. Our boat operator's microphone was down on this day, so you won't be able to hear everything she's saying, but this will just give you a peek of all of the wonderful things that you'll see on this ride, and it's so relaxing. I also wanted to mention that she let one of the little boys from our group sit up on the bow crisscross, so that was really special for him. He got to kind of lead everything out, and you can just see, like, there's the royal city from Aladdin, and you'll just know all of the little places and houses and music. And anyway, I just think this ride is so good, and it's one that kind of gets forgotten. I've forgotten it, and just riding it again reminded me of just how wonderful it is. It's just a classic and a great ride for all ages. And with that being said, I'll stop talking so you can enjoy. Oh, and don't forget to make a wish when you see the lantern.
Everyone has wishes. No white place for the old stepmother. She did so through the helicopter set of divorce and their cottage on our right-hand side. While Cinderella's wish was to shed the ball, when her stepmother left her holding up on her left, her fairy godmother said to the ball with warning that the magic would wear off at midnight. It looked like the carriage did not quite make it all the way down that mountain before it turned back into a pumpkin. True love went out the end, and Cinderella now lives in that very pink castle up there with her Prince Charming happily ever after.
His name was Happily?
Prince Charming happily. A dream is a wish your heart makes. For some people, that dream is falling in love. For others, it's falling asleep on hills of golden flowers, much like the one to our left, inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony cartoon, Lullaby Land. Just beyond the bridge, we'll be entering the tale of the wind in the willows where you can find the stately manor of the hall, home to the one and only J. Thaddeus Toad. Now, unfortunately, it looks like Mr. Toad is not home. He is probably out on the ground right